First of all, I'm sorry, guys. I am uh, 5 minutes late, but today's stream is a little bit different. I am going to make graphs in Godot without any script. So first, let me show you how the graphs looks like. I just discovered this in uh, just a few hours ago that we can do something like this in Godot. Okay, so let me just show you the one level. Okay, let's say this. Here you can see this is the grass, and grass is reacting to the movement of car. So I am going to make it quick. I'm going to make it in 5 or 10 minutes. So let's start the making grass. Okay, so this is the current grass, and this is nothing but just uh, particles, GPU particles. You can see here. So what I did was I added a GPU particle 3D, GPU particle 3D, and after that, first of all, let me just close these levels, and we can now do our work. Okay. So first of all, add a GPU particle 3D. After that, add mm, 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 add process material, which is of course our new particle material. Add a triangle. Don't add a square in that. Okay. So this is our particles and geometry. In pass 1, we are going to use a triangle made in Blender, which is just triangle.obj. Okay, I'm going to in 10 seconds I'm going to show you how to make the triangle in Blender. You have to use correct UVs for the triangle. Okay. First of all, let's delete all. Add a cylinder, make it 3. You can see. Now delete one side. Now go up here and select 3D cursor and scale over uh, this plane to z axis, and move little bit on the side or to rotate 90 degrees, and make this, and you can make this how much big you want. Okay, select all, go to shading, no, go to UV map, U for unwrap, and you have to use project from view and just scale it up. Okay, this much is good enough. And okay, this is how I created the triangle. And just and after this, just make sure the UVs are there and just file, export, and export as OBJ. After that, import that OBJ file uh, inside your project. For now, I have the triangle. I already have triangle. That's why I'm not saving that triangle. UVs are so important. You have to make UVs like that. Okay, this triangle I made, and you can see the particle shader is already working, or I can say the GPU particle 3D is already working. So first thing you are going to do uh, is my voice so loud? I think my voice is so loud. Okay, let me just little bit make it low. Hello, hello. Okay, now we are good. Hmm. So what is happening here is the particle emitter is, for now it is just a point, but we want a surface. So what are first of all we are going to convert add a surface emission shape. I like the ring better than cube, so let's add a ring. First of all, let's increase the numbers of particles so we can have idea what is our shape. And also the billboard, you have to enable the billboard, so the faces of mesh always uh, face to camera. Okay, let's see where is the billboard. Was somewhere here. Resolution, collision, attractor. Also this is also a important thing. We will come to that back. And some emitter uh, animation now. Yeah. And this is also important. We are coming there back. Hue and color, turbulence, angle, scale. There is the uh, first of all, no, we have to do that. First of all, let's add a material for the for our mesh. So this is triangle, and you have to first enable the, not this billboard. There is that backlight. Okay, this will look good. And in albedo, we are going to add a gradient, make it vertical, add a color, or just make a gradient and add color in up. Here's a green, and I think this color is good. Okay, so this is the color, and let's uh, decrease the timeline lifetime. That means each particle here is getting deleted after 1 second, and we are going to make it 0.5 second. Okay, here you can see. And in material, add a black backlight. Same this thing right here, this, or maybe not. Just okay. This is, and now we have to go to our particles shader. Where is it? Okay, here is particle process material. Here we have to go, and let's decrease the gravity to 0.01. Okay, now it is stable. Now we just have to make we just have to tilt it on angle 90 degrees. And also one more thing, if you don't want too much performance lag or performance issues, then you need to disable the shadows and disable the receive shadows. Disable receive shadows and disable shadows. In geometry there should be shadows. Okay, cast shadows off. After this, okay, let's see. Here must be somewhere a billboard. We have to enable that. Okay, let me just turn on my music because I saw my videos are boring. My videos look so boring without the music. So let's just play our music right here. Okay, last time I forgot about music. Okay, so here's the material. Okay, and now we have to do some things. Here, first of all, let's make a shape, a reasonable shape of caster, particle caster. Initial shape, sorry, height is going to be 0. Let me just decrease some particles so we don't have problem with making some changes. And ring height 0, ring radius, you can do whatever radius you want, but the important thing is inner radius. You are going in minus. As you can see, if you put 0 here, the spread of the particles are spreading evenly, but when you go in minus, if you go in plus, the particles will be gone from middle side. But if you go in minus, what is mesh is trying to do is this is the mesh. Now it is just collapsing in itself from another side. So go in minus, reasonable, use reasonable size. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now we are going to use a billboard, and polygon visible. Is it here? Okay. Okay, where is the billboard? Crazy. Sometimes the friend just finds the things are in front of you. Okay, let me just see my grass. There it is. Align wire. It mission shader, particle size. Okay, I think this was it. No, I still have to put billboard on it. Billboard is important because as you can see from this angle, you can see all grass, but from this angle there is no grass because back side is getting curled. So that's why billboard is important. But I cannot find the billboard. Let's just see where it is. What an headache. Billboard. By the way, guys, if you are watching my stream first time, then please hit like, subscribe and share. That will help me grow my channel and provide more informative videos to you guys, so you can make games effortlessly, or you can play my games, or you can get my assets from sketchfab. Lot of things. There are lots of benefits just by subscribing my channel for free. Okay, there it is. Here is the turbulence. It is enabled. Definition. Okay, the billboard from here is disabled. So where it is? Storing ABB visibility. Is where it is. Let me just reduce my volume of music. Okay, now we are good. Godot. This is done already, but why there? Okay, here it is. Transform, align. The thing is transform, align. I was finding the word billboard, but it is inside here. Transform, align. This transform, align, guys. Don't make the mistake I just made. Okay, here it is, and transform line. Transform align. Here it is, and this thing. If enable this thing, then the back side will always be the back side, and front side always will be the front side. And also one more thing, you can see you can notice the grass is appearing and disappearing. To reduce that effect, I have a solution for that. Add grammar right there. Okay, let's go to the solution. This is our grass, and the solution is, here is the solution. The scale curve is the solution. So you can see now everything is same here. Let me just increase the, let me make it 4 graph or 3 is reasonable number. Okay, and this is 0. So you have to make curve. Okay, if you don't make curve, then the viewer will notice the that flickering, grass flickering. Just make it a little mild, smooth. I'm going to increase my FPS by 60 because I like it. Whoa, look at that. What did I just say? Anything? No, it's good. And we are going to use 1. No, 1 is 2. Yeah, 2.5 is good number, I think. Control C, Control V, and still the grass is not waving the naturally in natural way. Just like, see this graph. This grass looks natural. You can see. First of all, let's just increase some radius of our grass. So here is where is it? Oh yeah, here, emission shape. We are going to use 50 and 25. No, minus 10. That's good enough. And increase the particle numbers to, I don't know, you see how much your PC can handle it, then you do that. If you do this without checking, just slowly add numbers and see if this is trying to reduce the frame rate, then stop right there, or your project will crash. Your project might crash, not will, but might crash. Okay, you can see the grass is more in the middle and less in the sides. Okay, this now let's just add some turbulence to the grass, I mean wind to the grass, and after that I am going to show you how the object will interact with it. And just a little bit more. And 25. I should use minus 25. Minus 25. Now you can see the grass is more in the middle and less at the end. But if your player is in the middle, he can't. Player cannot notice the difference. And now let's add some turbulence to it, because it looks like water, like it is having a water-like movement right here. So let's add some. Let's add some the where it is. Okay, let's add some turbulence. There's the turbulence. Noise strength is going to be high. Noise scale. Now you can you see the noise scale in YouTube video? Because I can clearly see it here. Maybe you can see from this angle. You can, oh yes, you can see. Okay, and add speed to X and Y and Z. I'm going to add 1, 1, and on Y 0.5. Now you can see the wind flowing through the grass. I think grass is a little bit bright. I can just darken it. Okay, not this, not okay. Just a little bit, and you are going to be darker. Okay, it is looking good. And now the interesting. Now it is interesting part. The attractor. First of all, make sure in the particle process material the attractor interaction is enabled. Attractor interaction is enabled, and on the body of your player add some one of these three GPU particle attractor box 3D or shape 3D or vector field 3D. The best suited for my car was this one, but I will show you this because these are same thing, just different shapes. So radius, increase the radius, and strength. If you want to attract the particles towards yourself, then add the strength. The strength here you can see it is. Increase the strength, but I want to repel the particles. That's why I'm going to put -1 here, and attenuation, whatever this is, I cannot pronounce it right now, but these things make your repeller smooth. From it will make like a ball, like this, a ball. So adjust the value according to your need and add some more. Okay. I think now the grass is moving, so the grass is moving too much like this. So I am going to reduce the noise, turbulence noise factor a little bit, noise strength, noise scale, influence minimum, influence maximum. So we are going to put here 0.05, maybe, let's see, 0.05. Okay, this is looking much better. There is the sun, there is the sun, that's why this side is dark and this side is a little bit lighter. Okay, and yes, the grass is done. The grass is done actually. It is so simple. You can see, you can move your player inside, or if you just add a just put the player's x and y axis. The no, not x and y, the x and z axis. You can see right here, z, a global axis on the grass, so grass can follow the player, and it will make the effect that player is going through the grass, but the actual thing is grass is going with player, so you don't have to make a lot of grass. Same thing I used inside my game. Now let me show you my script for the grass. Now you can see, enter node. I used now you can see here, first I used the just node, so the child node don't get influenced by parent node. And yes, here it is. So this grass is going directly towards my car, directly inside my car TS scene. Okay, I'm just a little bit excited because this kind of thing I just discovered it first time on my yes, I'm just too excited to show you guys this thing. So this is the grass, and this is this grass. So what is going to happen is, if car moves under this node, nothing is going to move. Nothing is going to move under this node, the grass node, the main grass node. If car moves, nothing under the grass moves. So what is going to happen is, I added the car, which is obviously the get parent, get node, car. What is happening here? See, var variable c is self.getParent.getNode. That means the grass node is going to see who's its parent. This is grass, this is parent, and get the node. That means parent's child, the car. Here is the parent node, and here is the other child, car. Here, so you can see get node car. So we are getting this node right here, and what we are doing is G means grass dot global position equals vector 3 dot we are just using cars global position x and global position z. Okay, you can see, and y, on y we are going to type here 0, or if your plane is up 1 meter, then you can put there 1. If your plane is down 1 meter, then you can put there y minus 1. And this grass might not work on the bumpy surface or the hills, but on the plain land this grass is perfect. And here you can see, am I missing something here to tell you? Oh yeah, the attractor here. So it is not important to put attractor inside the same scene, but you can use it in another scene. Just as you can see, under the car here is a attractor. It is also which is outside of the scene, actually outside of the grass scene. Okay, but it is still working, you can see. And this is how it works. You can see this is the repelling right now, but it is attractor, and if you see from here, you will see only attractor is moving, but the reality is the whole scene is moving with the attractor. So this is just an illusion, because every single particle is getting deleted after 0.5 seconds and a new particle is taking its place. So the particles are getting disabled every time, getting deleted every time. And this is best this is in the whole history of Godot, this might be the best thing to have in your game, because it might take some performance from your game, but it is beautiful. You can see, I mean, how many minutes are there? How many minutes? Okay, I cannot say my average. Okay, so you can see, for now I'm going to stop the stream because I want to make this a video and not stream. After stopping the stream, I'm immediately going to start my stream, where I'm going to resume my level design. For now I'm stopping, and after 10 or 20 seconds I'm coming back right now.